Today, we will be discussing early tool usage and manufacturing between our early Homo ancestors. We will specifically focus on the Acheulian tool industry, predominantly made by Homo erectus, and the evolution into the Mousterian tool industry associated with early Homo neanderthals. Acheulian was predominantly the tool used by Homo erectus and early Homo sapiens, approximately 1.76 million years ago. They were usually teardropped in shape, crafted with a bulge in the middle called a biface, often referred to as a hand axe. Acheulian toolmakers, first to leave Africa and successfully colonize Eurasia, it was the longest known tool industry in usage. Some examples of some bifaces and Acheulian hand axes can be seen below. As you can see, they vary in size and composition. Flint, limestone, quartzite, and quartz are just some of the materials that were used. A significant technological jump from the older one tool industry is more complex assembly. Multiple steps were needed in order to create these biface hand axes. One of the main jumps that we can see also happens in the evolution of the brain. As the Homo erectus and the Homo neanderthal have different brain sizes, there's more complexity involved. Homo neanderthals were able to plan ahead. They were able to think several steps in front in order to create some of these complex tools. Homo neanderthals are ones that we're going to touch on next. They're primarily known as the makers of the Mousterian tool industry, approximately 40,000 BC. We see more diversity in these tools created, and also the steps and the complexity in how to manufacture them. Scrapers were used for removing meat from the bone or hide, points possibly used for spears or arrows, hand axes and knives, and burins for engraving. This implies some connection to making art or jewelry, evidence of advancements in culture. More refined tool culture than the Acheulian, flint became a highly prized material. The levallois technique involves the preparation of a core and the removal by striking off large oval flakes. This was the primary technique that distinguished the Acheulian from the Mousterian, aside from the variation in the amount of tools that we see. The evolution of the human, having the ability to think and have culture, is a revolutionary advancement. Homo erectus was a bit behind Homo neanderthal, as is evident with the samples taken and the cranial capacities that we've seen, as well as the archaeological advancements and the cultural advancements these societies had. Thank you very much.